Hey guys, welcome back with me Dee. In today's video, we're gonna do Artemis goddess inspired makeup look. She's the goddess of the moon, she's the goddess of the hunt. For today's video, it's a collaboration video with my friend Jack. She's doing Aphrodite goddess from Greek as well. And without further ado, let's get started. I like to start my makeup with my eyes first, and I will tell you guys the reason later on. Now I'm using my eyeshadow base, the wired eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. I'll be using red and these two colors and the glitch color. I'm using the red color from the palette using tapping motion to apply the eyeshadow. This method is for setting up the cream base eyeshadow base. And I'm using the beauty umbrella brushes for most of my makeup look because it's sustainable and it's soft. And you'll get 10% discount. The code we love that. I'm using the blending brush to blend the harness and blend it upwards. And repeat the process to get a bolder look. I apply the blue color at the outer corner of my eye and blend it inwards. I'm using maroon white clown face as the base of my eyeliner, and I use the tapping motion again to apply the green color. And here's why the reason you need to apply your eye makeup first, because you can easily remove it without wasting any face-based makeup. Next, I apply a thin layer of eyeliner to make my eyes look bigger and divine. Next, I use the same product, which is maroon clown white, and draw a quarter round shape around my lid. The key here is to stay stable. I use my pinky finger and rest it on my cheek so I have good foundation to make my hand not shaky. Then I apply glitch color, which is the white color, so it will not smudge. Another palette from Rimmel London for the lower lid. Today I'm not gonna use fake lashes, but I'm gonna try this product. It has gel and 3D fibers. Next step is the face base makeup, concealer, powder, and foundation. Another tip that I want to share with you is how I apply the foundation. So apply the foundation product using my pin brush shape and blend it with the flat brush. Next is to make the moon shape. I made this clay special effect, or usually we use it scar wax. I will put the link down below. To blend the edges, I will use moisturizer. The key here is to be patient, as you need to blend it slowly with your fingers and moisturizer, because the heat from your finger will help to blend it really well. And you just blend it and reshape it, edit if you like, until you find the shape you like. Next, I apply gold leaf, but in this case it's silver leaf. In fact, silver leaf is edible. I just put it over, smooth it there, and let it set for a minute. And I'm using Fibre, the legend for the eyebrow pencil, to draw my eyebrows. And here is the result for the moon shape. It's 3D, slightly pop up. It gives you the definition. I feel when I put the silver color, it gives me more energy. And the next one is the contouring, give definition to your face. Next, for the lips, I put the red color lip from Smashbox to represent the braveness from her. And here's the tips you can do to make your red lips neat. Apply concealer to remove some of the dirt around the lips. Next, I want to introduce you my small company. It's a special effect temporary makeup design on my face. You need a bowl of water, wow, fierce, and a tissue paper. So my company called Desired.fx, I'm still developing it when I upload this video. Please support me by follow the Instagram. My company is based in UK. It's an eco-friendly prosthetic and makeup company. Stick the temporary tattoo to the place that you want. Soak the tissue paper, put it over the temporary tattoo and wait for 60 seconds and slide the paper out. You should get it come up perfectly. If you don't like the shine, you can use sunscreen on top of the tattoo to mattify it. Add some bronze to make dirt effect, because remember, this is a hunter. For the hair, I curl my hair with the wafer. It gives like vintage or historical effect. I'm showing you one of the strands how I use the wafer. Basically, I do the rest of the hair with it. And we're done. So I put my rain jacket on, and you need to be careful not to break your moon sided. I'm sorry about that. Hope you guys enjoy the video and hope you guys find it helpful. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Want to know more information? Please check the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye. She love you. See you in the next video. Bye.